Just to fill me, just to fill me.
वो कौन सा अटेम्प्ट था जो शायद नहीं चला और आप उस कगार पर खड़े थे और आपके लिए आर या पार था, और तब आपने उस टाइम पर अपने आप से यही चीज कही होगी जो इन किरदारों ने कहा, दैट नेवर गिव अप। आपके
For me, it was a film institute entrance exam, so I desperately wanted to learn acting and then come to the industry. और मुझे समझ में आया कि सिर्फ फिल्म इंस्टीट्यूट है जो वो जगह है जहाँ से मैं सीख सकता हूँ. सो फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट आई कुडंट गेट थ्रू, सेकंड अटेम्प्ट आई गॉट इन, एंड इन पूरे 2-3 साल के दौरान anything that I had to do to ensure that I get into it, to ensure that I manage the fees as everything. So for me, that was the part of my life which really helped me to play Neeraj Bhaiya, because he is as
Yes.
determined, if not more, as I was that time. And उसके बाद वो खुद को भी मुझे फील नहीं हुआ उस तरीके का ज्ञानी अंदर से ना,
है ना?
because I was ready to do anything and everything, no matter what. I just had to get into the institute and learn it. और ये जो जज्बा था ये नीरज में भी था, and I got to
बिल्कुल।
relive those emotions through him in this show, which was amazing.
How lovely. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you.
Guys, this is my question to you. You know, when was that? What part of your real life did you bring into this show?
I think I've spoken about this in the past, so like a lot of people know about it. I had auditioned for Lapata Ladies, and I was in the top 2, and I thought that this is it. Like for me, this film, and it actually did very well for Pratibha and Nitanshi, and I'm very happy for them. I'm actually very, very genuinely very happy for them. But then at that time, I felt the same thing, that this is it for me. Like this is going to break or make my career.
So
like
true.
it's
Yeah.
if I'm not able to crack this audition, if I'm not able to get this film, my career is going to end. This is what I had thought in my head. That obviously did not happen, but at that time I really thought of giving up, and I was like ये नहीं हो रहा तो ये तो अब तो गया, अब तो इससे अच्छी फिल्म, इससे अच्छी पिक्चर तो मिलेगी नहीं, जो कि है बहुत अच्छी फिल्म है वो, बट मतलब आई एम श्योर कि देयर आर मोर अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर मी, एंड आई एम श्योर, बट यू नो दैट मोमेंट ऑफ like complete sadness and just heartbreak was it. And then I think it took me a little bit of a time, and like everybody I'm making it sound like it's a big thing.
No, but
it wasn't.
it
At that
is.
time
No,
it was.
उस मोमेंट पे तो बड़ा
हम
चीज होता ही है.
पैशनेट लोग
हाँ,
हैं
उस
तो
समय मुझे लग रहा था मेरी खत्म हो गई है, मेरा जीवन खत्म हो गया है, बट that's when I realized कि that is like what Preet said, that this is like a crossover between a CA aspirant and an
So
actor,
true.
because actors also go through this. Like CA aspirants give a lot of attempts, but actors give a lot of auditions and face a lot of rejections. But the idea and the main idea is to never give up and believe in yourself and keep working hard.
yeah, absolutely. Thank you for sharing.
Just to fill me, just to fill me.